Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook carne picada. We'll start by understanding what carne picada is and why it's such a fantastic ingredient for many meals. Then, we will go through the essential steps for preparing and cooking this flavorful meat, ensuring you achieve a tender and delicious result every time. Get ready to master this versatile dish. First, let's talk about preparing your meat. You'll want to choose a good cut, like chuck or sirloin, and dice it finely. This ensures even cooking and a tender texture. Next, season your carne picada generously with a blend of spices such as salt, pepper, cumin, and garlic powder. For maximum flavor, let it marinate for at least 30 minutes before cooking. Now, for the cooking process. Heat about 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. It's crucial to brown the carne picada in small batches. This technique prevents the pan from cooling down too much, allowing the meat to sear beautifully rather than steam. Cook until it's deeply browned and any liquid has evaporated, building rich flavor. Finally, let's finish and serve your delicious carne picada. After browning, you can add aromatic vegetables like diced onions, bell peppers, and tomatoes to the pan. Then, simmer the meat with a small amount of beef broth or tomato sauce until it reaches your desired tenderness. This creates a rich, savory sauce. Serve it hot in warm tortillas over rice or as a versatile filling for many dishes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.